In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design responsive header navigation in Figma. We'll start right in your existing file, so go ahead and open your design. The goal is to build a clean, flexible header that adapts to different screen sizes without constant manual adjustment. Begin by working inside a single main header frame. This will act as the container that holds everything together. Inside that main frame, place your logo, your navigation links such as home, features, and pricing, and your primary action button like Get Started. Arrange them in the general order you want and give layers clear names so they're easy to find later. Think of this frame as the shell that will control the layout's behavior across devices. Now select all the header elements you just placed and press Shift+A. This applies auto layout, which is what makes responsiveness possible in Figma. In the right sidebar, set the main frame's direction to horizontal, so the logo, links, and buttons sit side by side. Set the alignment to middle to keep everything vertically centered within the header height. Then set the space between items to auto. With auto enabled, Figma distributes available space intelligently, so the layout stays balanced as the frame's width changes. Next, establish comfortable margins. Add consistent left and right padding on the main frame. For a desktop layout, around 121 pixels on each side gives a generous premium feel. For tablet sizes, scale that down to the 24 to 32 pixel range so the header remains compact and readable. Consistent padding ensures your header looks intentional and keeps content from hugging the edges. To keep the navigation tidy, set the links container to hug contents. You'll find this in the right sidebar under Sizing. Hug Contents tells Figma to size that group exactly to the width of the links themselves, preventing awkward stretching. Then set the main container the header frame to fill container for width. This makes the header automatically span the width of its parent frame, allowing auto layout spacing to adapt smoothly as the screen gets wider or narrower. With these settings in place, your logo, links, and action button will remain aligned, evenly spaced, and comfortably padded at any viewport. The result is a consistent, professional header that requires less maintenance and scales gracefully across breakpoints, all powered by a few smart auto layout settings and thoughtful padding. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.